Nelco Limited Q3 FY26 results, growth in revenue, focus on operational resilience. Stocks of Nelco showed a balanced reaction after the Q3 FY26 announcement, indicating market focus on both top-line expansion and near-term profitability dynamics rather than a single standout metric. For the December quarter, Nelco delivered a year-on-year increase in revenue, backed by broader demand across its enterprise technology integration and managed services portfolio. Despite revenue growth, profitability was impacted by strategic investments and cost absorption related to project execution and scaling of new service lines. Operating performance benefited from strong execution discipline, while service delivery across key client segments including government and large enterprises supported stable order flow. The company's focus on expanding high-margin services, digital solutions, and systems integration capabilities contributed to broadened revenue streams beyond traditional hardware contracts. Cost management remained a key theme as Nelco balanced investment in growth areas with disciplined expense control to safeguard margins where possible. Key metrics such as EBITDA and net profit reflected these balancing efforts, with margins holding in a reasonable range given revenue expansion and investment activity. Investors should watch future quarterly trends in margin sustainability, order pipeline movement, and execution efficiency as indicators of durable performance. Risks include competitive pricing pressures in technology services, cost pressures as services scale, and project delivery timing that can influence quarter-to-quarter results. Catalysts for upcoming periods include stronger demand for digital transformation projects, growth in managed services, and deepening enterprise client engagements that can lift medium-term earnings quality. The investor takeaway is that NELCO's Q3 FY26 results demonstrate revenue momentum and strategic investment in future service offerings, with execution discipline and margin management as areas to track going forward.